Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna do something incredible whereby we ask ourselves why my website is very slow and it takes slow to load. This really affects you in a lot of ways. Even on Google ranking, it becomes difficult for you to rank with your competitors. So when the website is very slow, let me visit this website and we're gonna see how slow it is. .co.za. So look how it's slow, but the reason why you can see like it was a bit faster because of one reason, because we visited this website before, so some of the content was saved into the browser, so you can look at it and think it loaded faster. No, let you try to visit this website on your laptop. So it once you visit it, you can see it won't take the same time it took here on my laptop. Why? Because it has never been visited on your website, on your side. But once the site is faster, even if you go to a new website, it's gonna be very fast. So let's look at some things to do to see if we can get how to check why the website is too slow. And the tool we're gonna use gonna help us to identify some of the reasons why the website is becoming slow. So I'm gonna do that, and there's a tool here which you can use to see and to get that. I want us to get that so that we check our website how fast it is or how slow it is. So type in this website. Okay, once you type in that website, then type into here your website, and we're gonna compare it with a different website. With different websites, we see how does it work, how fast, how slow this is. Okay, we had something to check. I believe we are supposed to check here. You can see it's fetching all the information, so we're gonna see, it's gonna give us the analysis and the data. We see how, what's the problem, where to improve, what to do. So it's fetching the site. Site has arrived. Okay, now we have it. You can see speed score, it's 15%, very poor because it's in red. Why slow, its score is 41%. Fully loaded time, it takes 29 seconds, almost half a minute. It's too much, so no one is gonna be there waiting for that page to download. Total page size, it's 6.4 megabytes. Simply means this website is not optimized. You get me? Requests, you can see 430. You can see a lot of things here about the website. It says server scale, images 0, whatever. All of these things should be touched on. So so the CSS, the GSO, JavaScript and stuff. So now to test other site, let's go to google.com, or we can go to gmail.com. You can see how long it's gonna take and what we're gonna have. After Google, we're gonna go to Facebook, and also what I'm saying, use your website to test. Also use Google website, use Facebook website to test how fast it is. So now Google has loaded here, and we're gonna see how fast is Google. Look, it's sitting on 90%, 95%, and 3.7 seconds. This website is super fast. So if you can see your website on that, then just know that you're standing a good chance to. This is not even a megabyte, it's 665 KB. You get me? 38 requests, you get me? So it's crazily fast. Google's website is very fast. We're gonna go to Facebook, we see how fast it is. Facebook. So the faster the website, the more chances for you to rank well. So those are one of the things we have to consider when we're building websites. Facebook has loaded. 89%, 92%, 3 points. You see, Facebook is a little bit heavier than Google website, and also this is 95% on Google, this is 90%. Almost these websites are the same. Oh, they are under 3 seconds, so it means they are very, very fast. So what do you have to do to improve on everything? So that's the question here for you. You must know what you're gonna do. So we're gonna give you some of the tips. If you are using WordPress, we're gonna give you some couple of plugins you must use to fix your website, so that everything can go a little bit well. So to do that, you have to optimize your website. There are WordPress plugins like WP Optimize, so that can run a repair and optimize your WordPress database on something like automatically. So if you want to do it manually, it's fine, but you can set it to be automatic so that it does it for you. It's called WP Optimize. So WP Optimize is gonna help you do that. So I think if I can dig deeper into that, we can see that we can go to this website. I'm gonna put those plugins which I'm talking about into under the comment box below, so in the description, so that you get that, you don't miss out on those things you have to use, the tools you got to use. So you go to your plugins, I'm gonna go to dashboard. You see how slow it is. Website is super slow. I'm trying to go to plugins, but even still I'm facing some challenges. The site takes longer to load. All those problems can chase away your customers, because no one can wait more than 3, 5, 6 seconds, because they are used to faster websites, you get me? So once you're here, you can try to go to plugins, and let's look for, okay, once we're in plugins, we're gonna look for what they call, okay, we put in lazy load, look for optimize, WP optimizer. We don't have it here, so we say add new plugin, then we look for that plugin, WP optimize, we got this. So you can see there's this one 1000, and there's this one talking 1500. This is 1200. Updated 2 weeks ago, updated 1 month ago. Version of WordPress, 1 million plus active installation, 900,000 plus active installation. So whom do we take? Auto optimize. So WP optimize, this is not the same. We're looking for this one because it said WP optimize compress whatever. So we're gonna install this. Yeah, though this one is a little bit more with people. You can see JSCS image including lazy loading, HTML and Google. Okay, this says catching, clean the database, compress images and whatever. So we need this one. I'm gonna install that, then it's gonna do the job for us. We installed it, we're gonna activate that. Okay, once we activated that, we're gonna look for that what WP optimize easy whatever, WP WooCommerce and stuff, settings, deactivate. Okay, another thing is like if you find any anything you don't use, any WooCommerce Stripe gateway, so you can deactivate things you don't use. E-commerce, Facebook. Okay, you can deactivate the WP optimize, clean and stuff. Okay, settings, we have this, the plugin here. This is our plugin, so you can deactivate all the plugins you don't use in your thing. Okay, trackbacks, use the buttons to enable or disable future trackbacks. We're gonna say enable. Okay, use these buttons to enable or disable for future comments or previous whatever posts. Okay, say add lodging destination, wipe settings. This button will delete all of WP optimized settings. You will then need to enter all your settings again. Save changes, we want to save changes, we don't want to do a lot of things. Enable admin bar link. This option will put a WP link on the top of your bar. Default is off. Required second page refresh after saving the settings. Okay, we there. Okay, we go to database here and say, what does it say? The WP TM optimizer working to make site whatever fast and whatever. So when you come here, it says run all selected optimization. Okay, options. You can see all of these are selected. Remove expired, transient, what options, 506, 16 transient, whatever expired. Okay, I might select everything here if possible, so that warning, item marked with this icon, perform more intensive database operations. In very rare cases, if your database servers happened to crash or be forcibly powered down at the same time as an optimization operation was running, data might be corrupted. You may wish to run a backup optimizer. Okay, remove trackbacks, clean post metadata. no. Okay, we wanted to, okay, let me take out this, and we do what we do the default way. Okay, let's do that. Run optimization, run all selected options. I'm gonna run this. Okay, done. Okay, that's done. That's super good. So images, we can click here also, and can select all images. Select all images. Once we select all of them, and compress the selected images. Okay, so we're trying to compress the images so that everything becomes a bit lighter. So there are a couple of things you're gonna do to make this work for you. Okay, let's wait. This could take a little bit longer. It says that average savings per image could be 1.00%. Images pending there 1000, and images completed 0. So you must be patient because images are many. This is a website whereby we get each and every day new words. So only one image is compressed, and the average savings per image is 6.67%. so this might take a while. So now they're showing 2 images. This is not 100 or 200, we're talking about thousands of images. So 1,000 images. So what I'm going to decide is, you do what? You do use that trick, the one I've given you, and also so also I'm gonna put that and other something like there's a WordPress. What you can also use something like this, so that what combined files. So one thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put more information in the description, so that you have that chance of seeing or doing what we cannot do in the video because of time, and I don't want to keep you so longer, but you've seen what we're gonna do. So after the images, you're gonna go and go on catch. You can see this this tab. You go to this tab, you go to Minify. Okay, so you can also go to settings, so that you set this thing to do yourself, to do this auto, so that you don't have to all the time be there waiting for what to do it manually. So it can do it for you by setting up to be auto. So you can see these links, you're gonna play with these links, then it's gonna improve your website. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna put as much information as I can in the description. Please make sure you read, so that you get full benefits from this video. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.